corresponding question. PQ are three identical blocks. PQ are three identical blocks. Identical block means all block masses are same. Okay. Here MP, MQ and MR we have considered small m. Clear or not? Very simple. Okay. Resting on a rough surface, that is rough surfaces. A force of 45 Newton is applied at one end in the diagram below. So first of all make this one and this one. Here applied force 45 Newton, frictional force F, and here also F. Okay, these are connected like this. Clear? Now here P, here Q, here R, here mass M and M. Clear? Okay, corresponding question. What are the tension? Our motto, a frictional force 5 Newton act on opposite direction on each block. F. Clear? F is given. What about F? That is 5 Newton in each block. What are the tension T1 between block P and Q and block P and Q, and T2 between Q and R in string. Our motto, determine tension T1 and T2. How can we determine? First of all, check this whole block are moving or not. How can check? Let initial condition T is equal to just T is equal to 0, whole are not moving. Means what about A? A is 0. A is 0. That time total force here 45 Newton. Total opposite force, or you can say that total, this one is applied force, this force and this force, maximum force in opposite direction to the applied force. How much? F, that is 3F. If 45 Newton is greater than 3F, then motion allow, otherwise motion not allowed. Clear or not? I know that I have already discussed, if applied force is greater than frictional force, limiting frictional force, then motion allow. But here only say frictional force, means limiting friction and kinetic friction are same. Clear or not? So what about F is given 5 Newton. So here 45 Newton and that one is 15 Newton. Okay, 45 is greater than 15 Newton. It means motion are allowed. Clear or not? Clear? So maximum limiting friction F, 3F, applied force 45. So 45 is greater than 3F. Clear? So motion allowed. It means this block and this block are moving. Okay? How much oscillation? A. Because frictional force are same. And here tension T1 develop and here tension T2 develop. Clear or not? So we have discussed one by one. Now look, now at this block, frictional force F, here tension T1, mass M. Now corresponding that block, that is T2, here T1, here F. What about acceleration? That is A. Here A. Okay. And last one, this one also make here, that is 45 Newton. Here T2, here frictional force F, and here M, that is A. Clear or not? Now next target. So T minus F, sorry, T1 minus F, F means 5 Newton, equal to mass into acceleration. Now corresponding to that one, T2 minus T1, it is also written as how much? T2 minus T1 and minus F also. Minus F also. Okay. Minus F means 5. This will be equal to mass into A. And last one, 45 minus T2 minus 5, this will be equal to mass into A. So finally, if these three are adding, then we got 45 minus 15, that is 30. So 30 this will be equal to 3 into M into A. So A this will be equal to 10 by M. 10 by M. Okay. Now if this value put here, then we got T1. T1 this will be equal to 5 plus M into 10 by M, that is 50 Newton. What about T2? T2 this will be equal to 5 plus M into 10 by M, plus T1, so that is 30 Newton. Okay, our motor determined T1 and T2. So T1 is 15 Newton and T2 is 30 Newton. Okay, so which one is correct? B is the correct option, make it.